Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to disconnect your Shopify integration in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can go to your integration icon here in the top right corner. You will see integration here, click on it. And as you can see, this is my integration. I'm going to click manage integration. And then as you can see, I have three integrations. So they asked me to reconnect it because I'm using a demo account here. So let's say it's connected. So in order to disconnect my Shopify integration, you can just click three dots here in the Shopify integration. And then there is option to disconnect. You can click on it. And then now you have to tell the QuickBooks or why you are disconnecting. It's required. You can choose the reason, and you can also add another reason here. I'm gonna choose this one and then click disconnect, and then it will be disconnected. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.